Este es el segundo video para aprender animación y estaremos aprendiendo cómo hacer un folioscopio, que es lo mismo que hacer una animación con solo 2 dibujos.
To make the folioscope, we need a sheet of paper. And the first thing we're going to do is fold it, tip to tip, very carefully, very precisely. Then, in order to make it easier to cut, we press a pencil or a marker over it very firmly. Make sure you do that very firmly. We then make a tear in the paper, but not all the way to the end. We need part of it still joined together. This will allow the top page to fall onto the bottom page in exactly the same spot each time. If the 2 pages aren't stuck together, it's much harder to keep them together. So, our animation is going to consist of 2 drawings. First of all, I'm going to do a drawing at the bottom, on the bottom page. I'm going to start by making a face because it's really funny to do an animation with faces, and I'm going to make a character. This character is going to be very annoyed, very, very angry. We'll draw it in pencil first. Then when we're happy with it, we're going to go over it with a marker and do all the expressions. Now we're going to do the top drawing. We're going to start with a pencil again, tracing the drawing below so the face above is exactly in the same place. This is very important. We're going to make a small change in our new drawing. This time we're going to make our character very happy. When we have our drawing the way we want it to be, we're going to use the marker. It's a good idea to put a sheet of paper underneath so that the ink from the marker does not affect the drawing below. So, let's see our animation. We put a pencil here at the end on the top page. Roll it up, and we can see how it looks when we move it very quickly. We can see the hands move, the mouth, the eyes. It is a very simple way to make an animation. It's better to think about the idea before you start. What figure you are going to animate? Is it a character? Is it an object? And what small changes are you going to make between one drawing and the other? Remember that you can only move some parts of the object or character, whether it's an animal or a person you are animating. You can't move too many things at once or it's not going to work.
Hasta aquí este video donde hemos aprendido cómo hacer una animación con 2 dibujos. Te invitamos a ver nuestro video número 3, donde estaremos dándole vida a objetos que no lo tienen. ¡Chao!